Hey, what's going on? This is Cho from Hippy Hour. And here's a quick little review on the clipper lighter. Alright, so here we go. I typically use these lighters most of the times, man. Actually, probably all the time, really. They're gas refill butane lighters. You can fill them at the bottom. But the best thing about these lighters is the flint system. You can actually pull this mechanism out, and this right here actually helps with stuffing your herb or your tobacco. The big lighter is easy to use, and without a shadow of a doubt, they are extremely reliable. Big lighter's been around for over 40 years, so it's no knocking a big lighter. But to me, the clipper lighter is far more superior. The clipper lighter is designed not to break or explode on you. These clipper lighters are disposable and they are reliable. On top of them being more child resistant, they have this infamous flint system. You can't beat it. You can't go wrong. Alright, these lighters are so cool, man. When you actually light them on the side, they actually get a little higher on the flame. Check this out. So you actually light it however you want to light it. But hey, that's me, that's my preference. I'm a big fan of the clipper lighter. If you like the review, go grab you one today. And again, this is Cho. You watching Hippy Hour. Smoke good, live better.